Hello and welcome back. Good to see you. Now in this video we are going to activate this two button first, and we will activate this button to edit this post. Now let's activate this preview account. This we need not to do anything. Let's open our file, and here maybe admin dashboard.php. Let's open index.php too. Here we have already code for the live blog, and I will use same code. For this, my PC is a little bit slow. Here is button. Let's copy this and paste it to our button here. Live preview, paste, and if we have row, same row ID. Let's save it and let's find it. As it is showing us such a interface that we need. Now for deleting this, we have to make new file, PHP file, and save this as post delete.php. Now in this PHP file, well, what we can do this. Where is our button? Yeah, delete. Let's just make post delete PHP. What ID is equal to and ID I have to give same as this, and paste it. Now this was for this admin dashboard. Let's create a file. Let's insert PHP scope. Here I will include this is the folder, and there is connection.php that will handle all. Let's global $connection. Now query id is equal to $_get id, and let's make query equal to delete from table name block post where id is equal to $id. This should be the query. Let's run this. $result is equal to mysqli underscore query, and let's pass connection and $query. We need not to die here because it will give us value in boolean. If $result then we have to echo deleted, else echo mysqli underscore error and dollar connection. Now let's say you may have seen I have add number bunch of post here so that I would go through pagination. Means there are a lot of file if you have hundred and thousands of posts, and this will be so relevant unrelevant. So let's delete this as deleted. Let's check the file. This was of 2. Blog post. Let's see blog post. Yes, we have been deleted, but something is remaining here. This is PID 222. All the here. These comments are remaining here, and let's remove that comment too. RC is equal to delete from comment where PID equal to $id. Now dollar executed is equal to mysqli underscore query dollar connection and dollar rc. Now if executed, then just move to header and I will make location equal to admin dash .php, admin dashboard.php. Let's see this. This should delete some time. It should give us error. So let's echo error. It should delete our comment too. Let's see. Yes, comment has been deleted. Now if you delete this is the third one post. Let's see, it may have deleted comments too and blog post also. This was third, and now fourth has been starting from this. This is for this video. In next video we will activate this button. For this we will use same this blog post, and something I have to do, I have forgot that is for adding this image I will make